Sesame Street Cookie Monster's Foodie Truck. To start, press the play button. Hiya, it's me, Cookie Monster.
And I'm Chef Gong, and we are
Monster Foodies.
Help us make delicious snacks in our foodie truck.
For all our friends on Sesame Street. What you want to make first? Go ahead, click on the food you want to make. Elmo's peanut butter banana and Oscar's mushroom and pineapple pizza. Rosita's tacos. Bert's oatmeal with blueberries. Abby's apple pie. Big Bird's cornbread. Elmo's peanut butter. Sound tasty.
For this recipe, we'll need bread, peanut butter, banana, and honey.
Uh-oh, look like we're missing honey.
Come on, we gotta go get some more.
To the honeybee farm. Come on, let's drive to the honeybee farm. Click to start driving.
Oh, Cookie Monster, watch where you're going.
We on our way to get honey. We made it to the honeybee farm. Honey comes from a honeycomb made by bees. Click to collect the honey. You are a good collector.
There's another honey.
More honey. Thank you, bees.
Time to cook.
To make peanut butter, banana, and honey sandwich.
First, spread the peanut butter onto the bread. Make sure to get it all over.
Then peel the banana.
Next, chop the banana. Chop, chop, chop. Choppity chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. Choppity chop, chop.
Now add the honey. Oh, yeah.
And last but not least, I will put the bread on top. Gong time. Go ahead. Click to gong the gong. It's ready.
Now it's time to send to Elmo.
Launch the catapult.
Enjoy your sandwich, Elmo. What do you want to make next? Go ahead, click on the food you want to make. Rosita's tacos. Oh, that's a good idea.
For this recipe, we'll need tortillas, beans, tomatoes, onions, and cheese. Oh no, looks like we're missing tortilla. Come on, we gotta go get some more.
To the tortilla factory. We on our way to the tortilla factory.
Ow, Cookie.
We on our way to get tortilla. Whoops.
We're here at the tortilla factory.
Tortillas are made from corn that's been grown in a field. Then it's sent to the factory to become tortillas. Help make the tortillas. Go ahead, Click to turn the crank. Ooh.
Way to go! Now, let's make some food.
To make tacos,
First, we spread the beans on the tortilla. Make sure to get it all over.
then chop the tomatoes. Cowabunga! Cowabunga!
Now, we chop the onions.